Using styles means using headings in word processing documents. There should only be one heading 1 on any document. Then your subheadings would get a heading 2 designation. If you have further subheadings under your level 2 headings, they would be level 3 headings. It's a lot like the hierarchy in an outline. For instance, let's say you have a part 1 and a part 2 underneath your instructions section. Type part 1, highlight it, come up to the Styles panel, and this would be a heading level 3. Now you'll notice that it changed its appearance. You can change that however you would like by using your font tools. I'm going to make it 12 font, bold, and italicized. Let's say I like that and I want it to be this style for every heading 3, which is a good idea. Come back up to the Styles panel, come down to level 3, and select Update Heading 3 to match. Now, everything else that I do, as long as I make it heading 3, will look the same. And that adds consistency to your document, as well as accessibility. Using the assignment template with headings already set can save you some time. Also, use the bullet tool when typing a bulleted list, or the numbered list when you're typing an ordered list, when order matters.